Hello and welcome to another video on LOGiCAL. I performed a calibration and I want to find it. I need to prove to somebody that I actually did some work. So here we go. From the dashboard of LOGiCAL, I can click on, calibrations. This is a little pull down, a little toggle. I can click on manage work. And this brings up instruments that are due or that will be due soon. But if I click on completed work, I can see what is done. So here's a tag TT555 in the list. That was done most recently. But I can also click on instruments and I can search. If I click search, I can look at positions, functions, devices, etc. But I'll just put in 555 and click on positions. There's only one that has 3 5s in it. So let me click on this. Here's our instrument. Our details, the function is literally what we calibrate. So this is a transmitter. There's a list on the left-hand side. If I wanted to look at function, I can click this. If I want to go down to procedure, I can click this and it'll shift the screen for you. So that these are kind of like shortcuts. Maybe I want error limits. If I click that, it'll just scroll up until error limits are easily visible. Or you can use the mouse wheel and scroll up and down. On the bottom is the test result. If you want to see what date something was calibrated, you can click over here on the right-hand side and change the display into rows, and it'll easily show you what date that the different calibrations were done on. There's only one done right now on this instrument, and if I select it, this is the information. And there's a calibration note here of corroded terminal. That's the instrument data. If I want to print this, I can, or save it as a PDF through the same way. And I can also share this link if I wanted to share this with a colleague to view the information. I can click on share, and this copies the URL directly to the clipboard, and I can send it to them in an email. So this is how you find an instrument within LOGiCAL.